The Adidas Originals Women's Superstar 2 Predator is scheduled to release in 2026 and delivers a bold fusion of basketball heritage and football influence. Originally introduced in 1969, the Superstar became an icon thanks to its shell-toe design and premium leather construction, earning massive popularity both on and off the court. This updated Superstar 2 version features a chunkier silhouette with a padded tongue and lining, giving it a modern lifestyle feel. The entire upper is dressed in striking Team Victory red crocodile-embossed leather, creating a luxurious yet aggressive look. One of the standout details is the 3 stripes inspired by the legendary Predator soccer cleat, known for its rubber fins designed to enhance ball control. Black accents on the shell toe, heel, and outsole balance the vibrant red upper for a clean two-tone finish. Designed specifically for women, this pair reflects the growing crossover between football culture and streetwear. The shoe is expected to release overseas in 2026 with a retail price of $145.